Today on Stewart-Cox Family News. In a shocking incident, drones caused chaos at a New York airport, temporarily closing down runways and disrupting flights. The incident has raised concerns about the safety and security of air travel, and has sparked a debate about the regulation of drones in the vicinity of airports. In this video, we take a closer look at what happened, and explore the implications of this incident on the aviation industry. From the response of airport authorities to the potential consequences for drone owners, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for more updates and analysis on this developing story. Leave your thoughts below. Now let's see the clip.
This has gone to far. New York Gov. Kathy Hochul in a Saturday statement said runways were closed at the New York Stewart Airport for about an hour Friday night due to nearby drone activity and called on Congress to strengthen oversight of drones. Hochul urged Congress to pass the Counter-UAS Authority Security, Safety, and Reauthorization Act empowering local law enforcement to do more to counter drones. The statement comes as the New York State Intelligence Center continues to investigate sightings in the state alongside the Federal Bureau of Investigation and the Department of Homeland Security. She joined several lawmakers in demanding the Biden administration do more about the sightings. Meanwhile, federal authorities have tried to assure residents that the objects don't appear to be operating effortlessly. The FBI and the Department of Homeland Security have said many sightings appear to be not drones at all, extending these powers to New York State and our peers as essential. Until those powers are granted to state and local officials, the Biden administration must step in by directing additional federal law enforcement to New York and the surrounding region to ensure the safety of our critical infrastructure and our people. Large drone sighting reports began gaining attention in New Jersey in late November. The Morris County Prosecutor's Office said several agencies, including federal and state law enforcement partners, would coordinate, monitor, and investigate the drone activity. This month, sightings have been reported in Pennsylvania, New York, and Maryland, prompting worries, theories, and calls for transparency. Because the sightings aren't confirmed to be connected, it's possible different sightings have different explanations. At a Thursday press briefing, White House National Security Communications Advisor John Kirby said there is no evidence offering based involvement from coastal vessels. Until there is clarity to what these sightings are, lawmakers and President-elect Donald Trump are placing pressure on the government for answers. Trump took to Truth Social on Friday to demand government give answers, trying to let the public know, and now, otherwise, shoot them down. On November 22nd, the FAA issued a temporary flight restriction prohibiting drones over Trump's National Golf Club Bedminster in New Jersey. On Thursday, Representative Chris Smith, RNJ, criticized the Biden administration for being dismissive about the reported sightings, arguing the White House team has failed his obligation to the American people to figure out and tell us what is going on immediately. Democrat U.S. Senators Cory Booker, NJ, Andy Kim, NJ, Kristen Gillibrand, NY, and Chuck Schumer, NY, posted a joint letter to the Department of Homeland Security, the FBI, and the Federal Aviation Administration on Wednesday, requesting a briefing on how the agencies will identify and address the source of these incursions. Chaos erupted at a New York airport yesterday as drones were spotted flying dangerously close to the runways, leading to temporary closures and massive flight delays. Travelers found themselves stranded, frustrated, and confused as air traffic controllers scrambled to assess the situation. With multiple inbound and outbound flights halted, the ripple effect spread throughout the entire airport, causing a domino effect of cancellations and rescheduling. Authorities quickly implemented safety protocols, deploying teams to track down the source of the drones. Passengers were left wondering how something so small could create such a huge disruption. As the situation unfolded, experts weighed in on the growing concern over drone usage near airports. They warned that this incident highlights the urgent need for stricter regulations and enforcement to ensure the safety of air travel. While the runways were eventually reopened, the chaos left many travelers frustrated and anxious about their journeys. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this developing story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.